Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with Mars Glossybox. I'm going to show you what I got. This month is the regular pink box. One coupon for dog box. I don't have a dog, so that's wasteful for me. I feel like we get like this only for dogs. Think of us who have cats. I have a cat. And this is the Mars Glossy Mag. And this month's theme is Pretty Pleasures. The first product is by the brand Avant Skincare, and it's a lip scrub. Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. And the next product is by the brand The Beauty Crop. It's an eyeshadow primer. This is how the box looks like. Here is the product. It's called Stuck on You Eyeshadow Primer. You can see it's all the way up there. And the third product is by the brand Lottie London. And it's a eyeshadow. It's called Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow Unfaced. You see it's a darker. I will take away the lid. Here is a swatch. This is really. It looks very dark, but when you swatch it out, it's very this bronze shifting in like coral and gold, maybe rose golden. Now for the next product is for the brand The Pen Cosmetics. Is alcohol gel. And the fifth product is by the brand Nivea, and it's their deodorant, so what you call it, antiperspirant, black and white original roll-on. So that's all 5 products in the Mars Glossybox. I find it really good. I feel it's a good variation. It's fun. They got an eyeshadow and eyeshadow primer together. so they put things that works together. Coming up, I did also bought the Easter egg. They do that a special box for Easter. I did manage to buy one. I think that one will be here maybe this week or next week. So there will be double Glossybox this month. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you next time. Bye!